Hello, my name is Joshua Wood and I have been studying at Lewis College for 2 years now. I want to talk throughout my journey that I've had so far, from knowing absolutely nothing to being where I am now. I have got some learning disabilities, so I've been getting the best support as possible, and growing up in my childhood going through school was a bit of a tough battle. It has been a long journey. I came from a secondary school where I struggled to understand things a lot, and I didn't get enough support that was needed. But I've had great people that have helped me go into where I am now, and worked really hard, and I managed to get into a school which would change my life forever. So I've had all the support, speech therapy and OT, and I worked really hard to get from where I was now. I have asked help for wiser people every now and again to get where I have been, but I've found my own strategies to work as independent as possible. I've met new people, and thankfully with all the hard work it's paid off. I have managed to progress onto the next stage, which this year I am doing a level 2 diploma. For this year I've also been thinking about taking next steps to doing business. So I want to learn stuff about taxes, making profits, how to handle and manage money, and I think that is a really big life skill that everyone should know. I think it is something that everyone should handle, but there's books out there, go and educate yourself, there's courses in college you can meet some really good people, meet some friends that you have a lot in common with, and that is what I've done, and I feel like it has really changed my journey by a lot. My classmates, so I mean it's all good. I've tried to be myself, I've met people, we've helped each other, and I can safely say, and I'm really thankful for that, I have met some really good people in my journey, and giving each other the best advice possible to take next steps. Yeah, so I've been really thankful that I've met some really good people. It's down in the ALS block, so it's every Wednesday. I'll go in and I'll have a chat, basically just journaling how my week went. If there's been any struggles, well, anyone can come in there. You can have tea or coffee, you can go in the sensory room, you can talk to people, and also one of the member staff actually mentioned that there's going to be a club that I was going to be starting as well, called Coffee Club, where anyone's more than welcome to join. Basically, it's where at break you get a tea or coffee and you can go and talk and introduce yourself to new people, which is something I'm going to start doing. But talking about what I actually get from my EHCP is that I get taught life skills that help my communication. And I'm going to be honest, I'm talking now, but when it comes to people I know, sometimes my self-esteem comfort zone can be quite low, and that's when I do struggle on what I have support on. But at the same time, I am absolutely thankful that I've got good support, and yeah, I've got people that have worked really hard to get the place I am right now, but it has really made a difference.